In this video, we are going to explain briefly how to connect ideas across projects in Poppy AI. Now, what this means is that you are asking how you connect ideas from one board to another. It's quite simple. There is no direct way, there is no Poppy AI feature that does this. So the only thing you can do is, for example, this is one board, right? This is one board that we're working on, and we want to connect this to another board, i.e., another team. If one team is working on this and then you want to connect the ideas or collaborate with another team on another board, it's quite simple. All you need to do is look towards your upper right corner. It says share. So clicking share, you want to click make board public and then just copy the link and then send it to the other team so they can have access to your own board. That way you could just connect and just brainstorm with each other to move forward with your project, right? Again, that's the only way. There is no option here, right? There is no setting that is available. That's the only way, right? And some people say otherwise, they're lying, right? So that's pretty much it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.